How does global HVAC energy consumption affect the environment? Imagine a world where every building you see uses a lot of energy just to keep things comfortable. That's what happens when we use HVAC systems on a large scale. These systems, which include heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, are everywhere. They help keep homes, offices, and factories cool in summer and warm in winter. But they also use a lot of electricity, and that's where the problem begins. In fact, HVAC systems make up about 40% of the electricity used in commercial and residential buildings. That's nearly half of all the energy we consume in buildings. When we use so much electricity, it puts a lot of pressure on power plants. Many of these plants still burn fossil fuels like coal and natural gas to produce electricity. Burning these fuels releases carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere. This process contributes to climate change and global warming. Cooling systems, which are a big part of HVAC, use about 10% of the world's electricity. That's a huge chunk. Cooling also accounts for around 6 to 7% of all greenhouse gas emissions globally. Every year, cooling systems produce about 1 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide. To put that in perspective, that's roughly the same as the emissions from hundreds of millions of gasoline-powered cars running for a year. As temperatures rise and more people in developing countries gain access to air conditioning, this number is expected to grow sharply. Another environmental concern comes from the refrigerants used in air conditioners and heat pumps. Many of these systems use hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, which have a global warming potential hundreds or even thousands of times greater than carbon dioxide. If these refrigerants leak, they add to the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. It's estimated that refrigerant leaks contribute about 720 million metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions each year. From a mechanical engineering point of view, designing energy-efficient HVAC systems is essential. Outdated systems with leaky ducts, poor insulation, or inefficient equipment waste energy and increase emissions. Modern solutions include high-efficiency heat pumps, variable speed compressors, and smart controls that adjust operation based on real-time needs. These technologies help reduce energy waste and lower the carbon footprint of buildings. Integrating renewable energy sources like solar panels or geothermal heat pumps can also make a big difference. These systems relying less on fossil fuels and produce fewer emissions. Smart building management systems can coordinate HVAC operation with lighting and other systems to save even more energy. Governments and industries are encouraging these practices through incentives and regulations to help meet sustainability goals. In designing HVAC systems, choosing energy-efficient components, maintaining equipment properly, and using smart controls are key steps. These efforts not only cut down on environmental harm but also save money over time. As the demand for cooling continues to grow worldwide, the role of mechanical engineers becomes more important. Developing and applying these smarter, greener solutions helps balance human comfort with protecting our planet.